Look at the crispy golden chicken cheese roll, crunchy on the outside and melted cheese in the center. Today I'll show you how to make them at home. First, I start by adding 500 grams of boneless chicken to a blender. To this I'm adding 2 green chillies, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, the spices that gives this roll its bold taste, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter helps to keep the mixture rich and juicy. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and now we'll blend it into a smooth paste. Once your paste is ready, transfer it into a bowl and let it rest for minimum of 30 minutes. This step helps the mixture to firm up and makes it easier to shape later. After chilling, the mixture is ready to work with. Place a sheet of butter paper on your work surface and add a ball of chicken mixture on top. Cover with another sheet, and now with a plate, gently press it down to flatten the mixture evenly. This little trick helps to create a perfect thin layer without the chicken sticking everywhere. Add a cheese slice in the center. Sprinkle some grated mozzarella cheese on top. Now, using the butter paper, gently fold the sides of the chicken inwards. Then slowly roll it forward to form a tight roll. Once the roll is formed, roll it lightly between your hands to seal the edges and ends. This helps to keep the cheese safely inside while frying. After shaping all the rolls, place them back in the refrigerator for another 15 minutes. Here I have taken 2 whole eggs, whisk it and add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This will help to hold the coating properly. Once your rolls are set, it's time to coat them. Dip each roll into the egg mixture first. Then roll it generously in breadcrumbs. The coating will turn beautifully golden and crunchy once fried. Heat oil on medium heat and carefully place the roll into the pan. Let them fry slowly on medium heat. Turn them occasionally so they cook evenly from all sides. In just few minutes, the roll transforms into crispy golden bits of goodness. Take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Cut them in half, and there they are, crispy chicken cheese roll ready to be served. Serve them with some tandoori mayo or any one of your favorite dips. They are perfect for snacks, parties, or even iftar. Plate them and garnish with some coriander leaves or basil leaves. And there you have it, chicken cheese roll at home. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And thank you for watching.